So, Teacher Monster to Read is a great website that helps students learn their letters and sounds, and it helps them to learn how to read. So, to get to this website, you will type in up here www.teachyourmonstertoread.com, and it will bring you to this home page. And so, families, I want to show you the demo area, which is right here, and the teachers area where you can use as well. So I'm going to click on demo. And I would highly suggest you to try these demos. So there's 3 different levels in Teacher Monster to Read. There's First Steps, Fun with Words, and Champion Reader. And so it's super fun. You'll get to create your own monster and start your journey as you teach your monster to read. And so feel free to demo it. It's really fun. So the next thing I want to show you is the teachers area. And within the teachers area, the classroom toolkit. So this is great for families, for you, that you can do with your child. So there's a Sight Words pop-up game that you can play. There's some printable resources. If you would like to print them out, you can, with flashcards and posters, bookmarks, playing cards, things like that. There's also monster mini games. There's also digital flashcards. If you notice that your child is missing a certain sound, then you can do some digital flashcards and work on that with them. Then there's some songs to sing. I know that in first grade, my first graders love to sing songs, so feel free to explore this. There's some physical games that you can do, maybe outside in your living room that you can play to help with phonics and movement. And the last thing are tabletop games. This does require a printer. You have to print them out. I've printed a few out and laminated them. You don't need to do this if you don't want to, because I also have it in my classroom. And so I'm going to scroll back up to the top. So this is Teacher Monster to Read. You can feel free to explore more when you go on the website. You can look at reviews, or if you need help answering any questions, you can click the help button. So I hope you enjoyed it and have fun exploring.